Hello everyone. I'm gonna do an unboxing of my new Dell XPS 13 inches laptop today. So I just got this from UPS. It's shipped from China, which is a surprise because normally I got the Dell products directly from their warehouse. But this time it took me like at least 2 weeks to get this laptop. I guess it's just because I customize the laptop to the highest configuration. So let's open it up. So before you open the box, there was some wrapping plastic here. I just took it out. I don't want to peel it off because I don't know, I just like it clean to be original. And this one is the Dell XPS 13-inch laptop. So here's the laptop wrapped in the plastic paper, obviously. So I'm gonna put it aside. Let's check what's inside. There's a cable, power cable. It's all white. I ordered it as a white, so it's not the traditional black one because I already have the black one XPS 15-inch laptop at home. And here's the pamphlets and stuff, instruction. There's a power cord. This time they didn't use the traditional one, old charger. They used USB Type 3 to charge laptops. So here's some, I think that's the, it's really difficult to peel it off. Let's see. Oh god, you have to destroy it to take that. Oh, come on. Really? Gotta be an easier way. Oh my god. That's horrible. That's horrible. That's so bad. So much worse than Apple's paper wrap. So, oh my god. Okay, forget it. That's ruined. Now there's a power cable. I guess you have to take this out and put it here and to charge the laptop. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna put this back. I probably want to use this one. It's a wall mount. Like, you put it here. So for last generation, you have to buy this separately. But this one, this time you just got it directly from the box. And I do need the USB Type-C converter. So I'll put that back there, close the box, and put the box aside. I will connect the power cable here. And I got this back here. So now I gotta do this wrap. Oh, it's broken. Well then, there's no need to keep it. Yep. It's really pretty light, but not as light as you might imagine because it's still a aluminum metal chassis. So you open up. I've heard that you can open up with one hand. It is true, but not very good though. It's like you can open up from the very beginning, and then as you open it up, it's become, see, it will tilt. So it's not completely one-hand laptop, I would say. So I'm gonna charge it right now. There we go. So it has one USB Type-C charger over here. There's nothing there. I guess this is the audio speaker, and there's one right here, and that's the micro SD slot. I wish they put the regular SD card slot over there. So it's pretty simple. It just has two slots, two connectors. Okay, so here is the I guess it's the fingerprint and the power button. I guess the whole film very premium, and the touchpad is a lot bigger than before, and the whole full screen right here. Let me just open it, turn it on. So this laptop is with the 10th gen Core i7 CPU and 32 gigabyte RAM and 2 terabyte of SSD configuration. So the best. Okay, it's pretty slow at the very beginning. So okay, I have to go to set up this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.